officer.
Why you not seatbelt?
See, I'm trying to park on so I can just put it.
See, when you are driving, you need to be on your seatbelt. You need to be on your seatbelt.
Because it's on there.
You know all these things, and you're not putting on your seatbelt.
Just pass it on there.
So
Sorry.
if you pass it under, drop it down.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
Always be on your seatbelt,
Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Watch out, too.
Okay. Yes.
Why you find that?
No. Can you carry me? Are you sure? No.
Oh my
Are you sure? Why you now?
If you want me to carry her off there, after video where they want me to do. You don't show them where I want to go. You don't show them. See where they grab me. So, if you want me to reach up there, say yes in the comment section.
Hi, babe.
Babe.
I'm sorry for keeping
you kept me waiting now.
I'm sorry, I just had to do
You know we are late.
I know.
Don't worry.
I'm so sorry about that. Thank
No
you.
problem, no problem. As long as you are here, no problem.
No, like, stay a little let's go there. Oh.
Let the silence draw you near. I don't need
dissolve.
Right.
Dissolve. Wait, let me start it. Wait, let me start it. Don't worry, I'll start it now. I'll start it. Now.
I'm going.
No, don't worry, I will start it now. Mess up.
Why you find that? Oh my God! Why you find that?
Oh my God, babe! Oh, Jesus! Wait, put it.
Hey! I'm out.
Wait, I don't. Come, what's up?
Why you find that? Oh my God! Aduh, bobo. Wajib Pak Widi, that's it. Itu jalan makan di sana.
When you come to me, meet my secretary. Tell him I sent you to her. You have the job. Everything.
Oh my
Leave me alone. See, forget about the city, forget about anything. Hey! Never want anything to do, so please straight away. Hey! I will sell my body.
Come, you're not ready. You're not ready.
Say, yes, I am not ready. I am not ready for this kind of thing. So I have to do to get this.
Give me your TV. You are talking anyhow.
Wajib Pak Widi,
You want the job. Okay. In this Nigeria, you want to come and have decent job. There's no decent job anywhere.
Itu jalan makan di sana.
Pay the price before you can have it. How far tomorrow when you come? I will submit it to you.